Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I come with a new amazing video. In this video I am going to describe you a new TRX mining website. This website is very special and I give you a complete review about this website. Please watch the video complete so I can explain all the information about this website. Let's start the video. Before starting the video, I request my all viewers and subscribers, please like this video and also subscribe my channel. Now friends, you can see that I already opened the registration page of tron.best. You can check here. You can see that there are the following steps you need to follow this to register in this website. Now friends, you can see that first step is choose your mobile phone number. First you need to select your country code, such as if you live in ID country New Zealand 64, in which your country live, you need to select your country code. Now as I select plus 55, you need to put your mobile phone number, login password, security password. After filling all information, you need to put this captcha in this code options. And friends, in the down you can see that the password is stored in a decentralized way and cannot be retrieved after it is lost. Please remember your password. Now I click on this sign in portion to enter into this website. Such as friends, I fill all information. Now I click on a sign up option. You can see that I enter into the website. And here you can see that these are the latest announcement of this website. Company reduction tron.best. Official telegram group is tron.best. Currently has more than 10 self-built mines, cooperative mines all over the world. The world leading one-stop blockchain computing power ecosystem tron.best integrates 19th century's region in the world with more than 1 million mining machines. And you can see that in the down you can see the professional cloud mining such as tron.best has won the trust of customers. And in the down you can see that the withdrawal limits of this website: 5 to 30,000 TRX 2.5%, 3%, and 4%, 5%, 8%. And friends, in the down you can see that deposit, the higher the income, the faster the payback, the higher the daily withdrawal limit. Now friends, I click on close this portion so I can explain other the information about this website. And friends, you can see that you have a total balance of 1000 TRX. You can get it out, you can withdraw it. I give you a complete review. Please watch this video complete. The name of this website is tron.best, and you can see that there are 3 types of icon. First icon is change of language. You can change your website language into many different language. Now I close here. You can see that this is the notification option. You can check the notification of this website such as latest announcement. Now friends, I click on a customer services. You can join the customer services of this website. Now you go back. Now you click on a home option to enter into the home page. Here friends, you can see that total balance, deposit option, withdrawal option, team option, share option, and logout options. You can see that wallet option, promotion wallet. I describe you these steps one by one. Please watch the video complete. Now friends, in the down you can see that there is a join to be a Tron millionaire use cloud mining and DeFi technology to ensure that all the users get the most TRX revenue, and you can check here. And friends, in the down you can see that platform data displays that membership of this website is that, and you can see that accumulated profit of this website is that. About us, we are at our best. You can see that this is the information about this website. You can see that global partners of this website: WazirX, Coin, DCX, Bitman, Binance, CoinMint, IUBA, Eco, OKX. These are the information about this website. Now friends, I am going to describe you the share and team option of this website. I go up and you can see that I click on a share options. And friends, you can see that this portion is very necessary, in which you need to copy your referral links. After copying your referral links, you need to share with your friends, and your friends invest in this website. You can get automatically registration reward of your friends. And I hope friends you like this page, and you can see that you can invest in without earning, so and you can earn the money without investing. If you want to make a passive income source, you need to copy this link, and after copying the link, you need to share with your friends. Now I click on a home option. Here you can see that I go back home. Here you can see that a team option. I click on a team. After clicking on the team, you can see that the website provide you this option, in which you can see how much you have team in level 1, level 2, and level 3, and you can check this. Now friends, I go back to the home option again. Here you can see that in the down you can see that logout option, but that is not important. Now I click on a trading option. This portion friends is very necessary if you want to make a huge team and get a passive income source like this. You need to invest in this website. Friends, you can see that now I click on a trading option to show you how much this website provides you in a trading options. can see that now I click on a trade option. Clicking on a trade option, you can see that the website provide me a 60 TRX as a gift of trading. I click on a receive option to get the my 60 TRX in my account, and you can see that this website provide you a 6% cloud mining is working. I need to click on a view all to check my how much I have earned in the past by using this website. You can see that I have only earned a 60 TRX by using this website because I joined this website yesterday, and now I get a 60 TRX as a registration reward. Now friends, I click on a share option. This portion I already described. You invite your content or friends and earn rewards, and in the done friends, you can see that Tron mining platform Tron.best refer and earn rewards. You need to click on a copy link. After copying the link, you need to share with your friends, and your friends invest in this website. You can get automatically the registration reward of your friends. Now you can see that I keep the I clip and manage this on that. Now I click on a more option. After clicking on the more option friends, you can see that I have a total balance with 100,060 TRX. Now I'm going to describe you deposit option, withdrawal option, TRX deposit quantity. Add 5 TRX to the account at one time to activate the account and turn on the withdrawal functions. Now friends, I am going to describe you, and I click on a deposit option to show you how to take out a deposit in this website for withdrawal process. You need to click on it. After clicking on you need to copy this address. After copying the address, you need to first note this observations. Please do not check the other note address. It will be recorded about 5 to 10 minutes after recharging, and you can see that after the recharge is completed, click the button below to the get recharge and amount, and you can see that here. And you can see that now I copy this link. After copying the link, I go back to my trust wallet to show you how to invest in this website. You can see that I open my trust wallet, and you can see that I have a 19 TRX. Now I click on send option, paste my address here. After putting paste, then I need to address 10 TRX. After copying the sent and entering my amount, I click on a confirm button. After clicking confirm, I click on a loading option. You can see that friends, my transaction are in a transfer option, and you can see that I click here. I refresh here again and again. You can see that my amount is successfully sent to the website. Now I go back here. After going back, I need to click on get a deposit. Friends, you can see that I click on get the deposit. You can see that my website are in a loading. I wait for the complete depositing of this amount. Now friends, I go back to the mine option back. You can I view you here. You can enter check your amount added or not. I wait for the adding of this amount, such as friends one time I refresh here to show you my amount receive or not. Friends, you can see that it's not received. I wait for the receiving of amount. Now friends, you can see that my deposit TRX quantity is 10 TRX. Now I can explain you how to take a withdrawal from this website. For the withdrawal option, you need to click on a withdrawal. After clicking on the withdrawal option, you can see that your daily withdrawal limit is 0.25 TRX. You can increase it by investing more and more TRX in this website. Here you need to put your amount. This is your interpost security password. Now put my amount here, such as friends, my amount is 0.25 TRX. I put my amount as 0.25. After putting this amount, I need to add my address. I click on a copy address. Now I paste my address here, such as my address is. Now I click on a confirm option. But after you can see that withdrawal successfully. Now I wait for the complete receiving of my withdrawal in my trust wallet account, and you can see that. And today I hope you like this video and subscribe my channel. Take care. Goodbye.